everyone, today we're gonna be adding, this is part 2 of episode 2, the cat clicker series. Today we are gonna be adding 4 upgrades that are different from each other. So we'll start off by going into cat attack and duplicating the second custom. Same with support, but we duplicate the first custom, then move it to be the third custom. Make new sprites. I'll just get the art from my game. Here, easily rich. Okay. So here, make a new sprite, naming it easily rich. Okay. Now I'll just drag this and I'll do like this. First custom. Yeah, there. So right now you'll see it. You won't see it here. So it's superb. Cat attack. Duplicate all this code. When I receive show items, when I receive unbar height. Define if points less than 10. When I receive show items. On this sprite clicked. And when I receive next page, the next custom. In a blocks plus. Alright, I'll just clean this up real quick. I'll do that. Okay, so we clean up blocks plus. Alright, so now we'll see it here. So right now, so just change the cut per second by 1. We'll change it to be 5. And here we'll change the values to the cost of the upgrade. My cost is 200. So here negative 200, here 200, and here 200. Alright. So we're done right now. For the third upgrade. Fourth upgrade will also change the cut per second, but the fifth will be special. It's a new friend. And it will make a new character. Right now we'll just add the second upgrade. And we'll also add additional upgrades before the a new friend upgrade. Because making a new character will be for another episode. So go to easily rich, duplicate the second custom, and drag it to be the fourth custom. Support, just duplicate the third custom. Same with cat attack. And I'll just oops, wrong one. Okay, no, it's not wrong one. It's not the wrong one. Here, cat attack. Okay. So, just use this. Alright. Make a new sprite, naming it cat attack II. Duplicate the first custom and the second custom. Alright. Then I'll drag the forecast. All art will be available in my starter projects. I will send the link in this episode, in the description of this episode, like in other episodes. Alright, so we'll just duplicate the code from here. We did. And box. Alright. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're done. So we'll just change these values. If cat's less than 500, wait, so check. Yeah, 500. Cats less than 500. Change cats by negative 500. Change cats per second by 10. Cats less than 500. Alright, this will be everything for this episode. Bye. This is just a mini episode.